In this video, let's talk about why do you need wheel spacers for your Maserati GT. Let's go.
Maserati wheel spacers are aftermarket accessories installed between the wheel hub assembly and the wheels. They can increase the wheel clearance. The high-quality wheel spacers can help the Maserati with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, wide body kit upgrades, aftermarket wheels adaptation, cosmetic changes, and more. If you are worried about the spacers will cause vibration, we recommend buying high-quality hub-centric wheel spacers. Installing the hub-centric wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS hub-centric wheel spacers ensure that the wheel spacers better fit the hub protrusion. As long as you choose the right hub-centric spacers, there will be no problem. BONOSS forged Aesthetically Maserati wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distributed in petal shape, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of aptly dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the Maserati wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. The main function of using Maserati wheel spacers is to provide additional clearance between the wheel and the wheel hub assembly. It will ensure the wheel can be properly mounted and accurately balanced. Maserati hub-centric wheel spacers solve the problem that the wheel lock holes of lock-centric wheel spacers may cause wear and shake. The multi-stage hub-centric design by BONOSS will effectively help the Maserati wheel spacers to match the wheel hub assembly, which is the majority of the Maserati wheel spacers on the market, designed to form a contact surface with the hub assembly, helping the wheels to bear the weight from the car.
Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.